Your bank credit score. Business bank accounts are a vital part of any business. It is essential that a business owner separate personal and business banking. This is needed to run a successful business. One of the main financial tools used to accomplish this is a business bank account. A business bank account helps you to maintain accurate records, prepare reports, make deposits and withdrawals, make wire transfers, issue checks, and a lot more. But it seems as if bank credit scores are a mystery. Many people don't know about these at all, yet they are how banks determine who to loan to and who to turn down. If you want a loan, then you'll need to know this. Your bank credit or bank rating is the total amount of borrowing capacity a business can get from the banking system. Business credit is a much broader category of lenders such as suppliers, credit card issuers, or leasing companies. A business can get more business credit quickly if it has a minimum of one bank reference and an average daily account balance of at least $10,000 for the past 3 months. An average daily account balance of $10,000 for the past 3 months yields a bank rating of low 5. This means an adjusted debt balance of $5,000 to $30,000. A lower rating, that is a high 4 or balance of $7,000 to $9,999, won't stop a business's application, but it will slow down the approval process. Now let's turn to bank ratings. A bank rating of high 5 means you have an account balance of $70,000 to $99,999. A bank rating of mid 5 means you have an account balance of $40,000 to $69,999. A bank rating of low 5 means you have a balance of $10,000 to $39,000. A bank rating of high 4 means you have $7,000 to $9,999. A bank rating of mid 4 means you have $4,000 to $69.99. And a bank rating of low 4 means you have a balance of $1,000 to $39.99. Keep bank ratings up. Do whatever it takes to keep at least $10,000 in an account over a 90-day period. Money should be kept there just to ensure a bank rating is high enough to increase future financial approvals. Let's recap. A business bank account is vital for success. It can be set up correctly from the start, and that will help business owners get loans and credit. Bank credit scores measure account holder responsibility. Responsible financial stewardship will pay off over time. Contact us today to learn more about your bank credit score.